Hi, YouTube family. Welcome to Ula Trending Mzansi. Batsiri Bomkosi, not Musakaula, posting that Umeda Bongza, DJ Zintle's husband, is allegedly cheating on her with varsity students. When I saw that post, Batsiri Bomkosi, I was like, Musakaula has started again. And I did not pay much attention to it until people went to that post and they were demanding proof. They're like, no, Musa Kawula, show us the person that Meda Bongza is allegedly cheating with. I guess Sana Musa did not waste time, but he revealed the picture of the young lady. Yes, she does indeed look like a varsity student. She's very young, Betunana, and now it raises a serious concern and also serious questions whether the allegations are true or not. And another thing, but of course, it is how Mzansi is reacting to this whole thing. It is like people were waiting for something like this to trend between Meda Bongza and DJ Zintle. Others, they're saying that Meda Bongza is probably happy that the news have allegedly went out because people have assumed that DJ Zintle was allegedly the man of the relationship and not Meda Bongza, because they've never seen DJ Zintle actually spending more time with Meda's family compared to how DJ Zintle is always making Meda spend time with her family, including the late AKA family, where Meda Bongza will always be there as well. So people have always criticized this relationship, and it was quite an interesting one. And now that the rumors of the husband allegedly cheating are out in the open, Aisha Muguningi Ogwenzagalayo. But from course, what do you think? Because people are saying that the name of the alleged girl, it is Ukim from a Midrand somewhere there, and it is indeed confirmed that she is a varsity student, but she hasn't said anything. I mean, her picture is currently trending and she hasn't said anything regarding this situation, including Meda and DJ Zintle. Haibo, do you really think that Musa is telling the truth? What do you think? But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.